How to add iframe in your Wix Studio. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to add iframe in your Wix Studio. It's gonna be very easy and simple steps. So first you have to log into your Wix Studio account and then you can select your website. I'm gonna choose this one and then you will be in that website dashboard. You can navigate to edit site, you can click on it, and then you will be redirected to your website editor. This is my website editor. So first I'm gonna add new section. I'm gonna add new section here, and then I'm gonna click add an element, and then there are some options here. You can scroll down until you find iframe. You can click on it. You can just drag to the section. Then also you can, customize the size. Maybe you want to make it bigger like this, or it's up to you. Maybe like this, or bigger like this. You can place it wherever you want, and I think this is good. So basically, you can just uh, click enter code. So there are two options. You can choose website address or code. So this is the basic HTML. So you can just put the code for your YouTube videos maybe or another videos or other type of content. And after that, you can just click apply and then it will appear to your website. So I think that's it, how to add iframe to your Wix Studio. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.